Controlling fleas on your dog can be a challenge. This is due in part to the fact that fleas can multiply at an alarming rate. This is further complicated because these nasty little buggers start to infest your dog's environment. In other words, your home. There are many products on the market today which can help you with flea control for your pet. Unfortunately, some of these items contain chemicals which are less than healthy for your dog. There are, however, some natural alternatives. To help you decide which ones might be best for you and your dog, we have highlighted what we consider to be the top 3 choices for a natural flea dip for your dog. First, there is Rosemary Flea Dip. This treatment is especially good on those hot summer days. Start by steeping 2 cups of rosemary in boiling water. Strain out the leaves and add the liquid to enough fresh water to create a gallon in total of the dip. Once it cools, but while it's still warm, pour it over your dog and allow him to dry naturally. This dip is also very helpful for ticks. Second, try a lemon flea dip. You can start creating that by boiling water. Then add lemon slices and allow it to steep overnight. The next day, remove the lemon and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Spray this liquid all over your dog, especially behind the ears, near the tail, and on his belly and legs. Be careful not to get it into his eyes. This mixture will kill and repel fleas, and as an added bonus, it can help to treat irritated skin. Last but not least, try lavender oil. Before you apply the lavender oil, you should wash and dry your dog. Once you're done, apply 5 to 10 drops of the lavender oil to your dog around the tail and neck area. Massage this oil into their skin. The oil will help treat irritated skin as well as repel the fleas. You should repeat this treatment at least every 2 weeks. Treating your dog is the first step in eradicating a flea infestation, but you must also clean their environment. As an added preventative, wash your dog's bedding, vacuum daily, and occasionally sprinkle salt on your carpets. When you do, let it sit overnight, then vacuum it up. This will help eliminate the fleas from your home. For more helpful tips about caring for your dog, visit applewoodkennel.me.